At first light, the journey of coconut milk begins deep within tropical plantations. Each coconut is handpicked at peak maturity to capture its richest flavor.
Traditional methods still play a key role in the harvest chain.
From field to facility, speed protects freshness.
The journey continues toward one of the world's most efficient coconut processing plants.
Every batch is logged and traced for absolute quality control.
The coconuts enter the heart of industrial processing. Their tough shells hide pure white treasure within. Every coconut is scrubbed clean before opening. Precision blades crack each shell in milliseconds. Human judgment remains vital for quality. Shells are separated before extraction begins.
Pure white coconut flesh is the core ingredient.
Shredding expands the surface area for extraction. Colding preserves natural creaminess. Centrifugal force separates cream from water components. Gentle heat softens fibers for smoother milk. Multiple batches are blended for consistent texture. The liquid is filtered to remove fibrous particles. Heat eliminates bacteria while protecting flavor. A perfect seal protects every drop. Every container is sterilized before filling. Filling is fully automated for zero waste. Rapid cooling locks in freshness. Traceability is marked on every unit.
Trained eyes ensure flawless presentation.
Brand identity completes the product. Robotics speed up bulk handling.
Every carton is sealed for transport safety.
Precision stacking maximizes warehouse efficiency.
Secure wrapping prepares pallets for shipping.
Human operators coordinate final movement.
Temperature control preserves product quality.
This batch is now on its journey to market. Nothing goes to waste here. Every byproduct is repurposed.
Another valuable product emerges from the same harvest. Human oversight ensures perfect batch consistency. Dried husks later become eco-friendly materials.
Coconut shells are transformed into clean burning charcoal.
A final filtration step guarantees silk smooth texture.
The milk must meet strict microbiological standards.
Every batch is tested for ideal creaminess.
Balanced pH and purity ensures natural stability and flavor.
Sanitation cycles keep every process spotless.
Finished coconut milk rests briefly before packaging. Multi-packs prepare products for retail shelves.
Computer systems track every stage in real time.
Advanced imaging guarantees every bottle meets standards. Every unit is digitally registered before shipment.
Automated racks keep inventory perfectly organized.
This massive warehouse safeguards product freshness.
Real-time tracking keeps distribution precise. Scanned and confirmed.
Orders are arranged for rapid shipment.
Many batches travel across oceans to global markets.
Every shipment is backed by strict documentation.
An entire industry works in harmony to create coconut milk.
Distribution begins across cities and supermarkets. The final product stands ready for kitchens worldwide.
From tree to table, this is how coconuts transform into silky coconut milk.